we're going to look at how to use the software. So this is the software. So it's well arranged. So what we need to do, we need to go to the back end. So that's where our workstation is. So what you need to click is that you click on www.yourdomainname.com/admin. How to enter admin, hit enter, it open the admin session. I log in with my username and password. Saying I don't want to save the password. Oh, so what's wrong? Okay, so as you log in, you see statistics of everything happen, how many users, total users, active users, email verified, pending, and all that. So all of them are just on your screen. You will see a graph of how things is going on the dashboard. Then the first thing we look at here is managing staff. Here you add people that will use it. So you can just click on all staff. So here we have only one staff, which is the admin. Yeah, under here you click on add new. Then you click on the name of the person that will use it, the username, then the email address, then select the role of the person, then you put the password, and then you click on submit. So you will just see it here, the person will just be using the distance. So this is then here this is where you create the roles. You can create a role here. I click here, I can configure an admin or a staff, So when you configure a staff, you click what the staff can do and stuff like that. This is manage user, those who manage user, where you manage user, ban user, you configure all of them here. Now this here is what we call it. This is user menu. So that users are like people banking with you, they are all users. Your customers are the users. That's what we call it. So when you click on user manager, under user manager, you see active users. When you click here, let's say active users, you see the users that are active. Like in the bank, you will have people that their accounts are not active, those that are active, those that have been bound or logged out or stuff like that. So this is the active user. Under active user, you have banned users. You see this all the list here. We don't have any here. The one that your email has been verified, the one that your mobile phone has been verified, KYC, know your customer verified. So when you see all of them, but here we're looking at or you want to look at all of them at the same time, click all users. So you see all users, we have all the users, including both that have been verified and all that. You see them here. But I want to look at the active user now. So if let's say someone give you money and you want to deposit it on the, let's say what the people call walk-in customers, right? Not the one that deposited by themselves. What you need to do is when you come here under here, you search the person name or username or email address or whatever you want to search with. Then when it comes up, like you have only one, but you may have like 100 or whatever, you put it here. Here you search. Then when the person comes up like this one here, see here you will see the person's name, the branch he deposited, it's online, then his email address and phone number. Then here you see the country, here you see the day it was joined, then you see his balance, and then here you can click OK, action, what you do. You want to see more, click on details. Now under these details, you will see the person's balance. This is the person's balance that was deposited, how much the person has withdrawn, how much was transferred, federal fixed zero, DPS, loan, beneficiaries, and all that. Now under here you see the balance. If you want to see the balance, click on balance. See the balance. You can hear. Have we seen it? If you want to add on his balance here, see somebody come and give you money on a counter. You want to deposit it for him. This is where you put the money. Let's say you want to add money on this person, and let's say come to the counter. I want to give you money. You add it here. The mark deposited. So this is how to deposit money for someone. Yeah, you add his money here. See, has increased to 4,000. Has increased to 4,000. Wasn't deposited and stuff like that. Now, here is subtract the balance. Let's say the person want to withdraw from the bank, come to the bank and want to withdraw. So that's what you need to do here. You put, let's say you want to withdraw 1,000. You click here. Sorry, any remark, withdraw. Then any remark you want to put there, you click here. You see, the money has come to 3,000, and you have to withdraw, subtract from the account, login notification and everything. So this is how to do addition, withdraw, and all that and all that. So this is how you do it. Have you seen it here? So this is how to check on the balance, how to deposit money, how to withdraw money on counter. Then if you want to ban this user, it's as easy to, when you open that, you click on ban this user. If you ban this user, will not be able to log into the internet banking again. If you want to send the notification here, you click on notification. You can send normal notification to this particular user. If there's anything you want to send to the user, you can send it notifications. Some of these notifications are predefined. Are you with me, right? You send to the customer. So this is pretty much about it. Then you see the ban users and all that. I've already explained those ones for you. Now here are all the money the person deposited, the ones that are pending. Now how about this pending money? There is no money he deposited and spent. What is this? That somebody don't like transfer. I can transfer money from my internet banking, and it will be approved before it will enter your balance. If it's not approved, it will not enter your balance. Maybe I will show you how to do this one. Let's go back to the user. Let's say I'm a user, I want to deposit. You as a, what they call it, as an admin, can also log into the user's dashboard to do something on the user's dashboard. I will show you how to do that. You click on active users, then we go back to details. Now here I can click login as a user. So I can log in as that user Elvis11. So this is the user that means when the user log in on his own dashboard, this is what the user will see. Have you seen it? Here he deposited this money. This is the one we did. This is the one that was done. This is the one that was debited, the one I did the other time ago. So you have seen all those things. So what you need to do here now is, let's say I'm a user, I want to transfer, I want to deposit money. I can come here and do the deposit myself. Yes, I want to deposit. I can put deposit with what they call it, internet automatic deposit, withdraw from another account and deposit to my own account. Then here the amount the person wants, let's say $500. So here I click on submit. So obviously it has say, okay, you have requested to deposit, please pay. So for the deposit, since it's online, for you to deposit money, you pay money, or you can, that's the way you configure this. You may not pay anything, then you click on pay now. So here, obviously this is the money you deposited, $500. Now it's under state which is show pending. Now when we go back to here, you can now come here, under deposit here, under pending deposit. It's left for you now to approve the money. Here I click on that. See, have you seen it? The money deposited, that is it. His surname, this $500, charges was this is what he paid. Now I can here now to approve his deposit. Before it appear on his balance, you need to approve it. So you see, it has not gone here under approved deposit. You will now see it under approved deposit. So now this is the name of the bank. This is the name of the user with the username, the time it was initiated, amount it was paid, conversion, and all that. So you see, this is pretty much the way it works. Then if it is withdrawal, here you see you can set up withdrawal method, approve withdrawal, and all that. So this is pretty much the way it works. It's very easy, This is that withdrawal we did that time. Bank transfer USD 001. This is what we do. Pending withdrawal. So there is no pending withdrawal. Approved withdrawal. There are no approved withdrawal. All withdrawals, including the pending and everything. If there is any, you're going to see it here. That means the one he withdraw from his own, not the one he come to the bank to withdraw. So here you if there's any transfer, you will see pending transfers. So on his own internet bank, he can also do transfer like from one bank to another bank. See, this is pretty much where he will do it. This is from, let's say, from Glovi Bank to Glovi Bank, from one account to another account. Here you can add beneficiary that you want to transfer to, beneficiary name, beneficiary account number, short name, then you submit. If it's for other bank, you click here on other banks. So you add beneficiary from other bank, just like the normal way we do. Then you select the bank that you want to deposit to. We have not configured any other bank. I'll show you how to do that. Have you seen it? So you put beneficiary for other bank and stuff like that. So wire transfer and order. Now see other bank. This is where we configure other bank. If it's in my country, configure Zenith Bank, GTB Bank, and all that. You can easily configure other bank that somebody can transfer money from one bank to another. The banking name, processing time, transfer limit, fee, daily limit. When you finish filling all this form, what you need to do now is, within it, a lot of things, user data, you just click submit. So that when the person is transferring money, you just choose the other bank and put the bank account, and bingo, you're ready to go. So this is the plan, FDT plan, DT plan, loan plan, and all that. So you can easily configure all these ones. So one thing you need to understand about this, don't use this app for something illegal. Because if you use it for something illegal, there's something there. If somebody reports you on the host or server 2 or 3 times that you are doing illegal work, they may block you. So make sure that what you are doing is very genuine. That is just one thing. This is a foreign host, they can also block you. If somebody reports you, like they say 5 or 6 or 7 people keep reporting this website, then they will block you. And there's nothing we can do about it. So know what you are doing with it and make sure you are clear on what you are doing with it. For security, we have put SSL and everything that is making it secured so that you can at least do your work without any issue. Here is payment gateway. What is this automatic payment gateway? We have automatic payment gateway, which means somebody can transfer money from one bank to another to your own bank account without any issue. So this is automatic. You can configure all this one. Anyone you want, just let us know. You need to register on their website. Then we'll configure it. With this, somebody can transfer money from one bank to your own bank account, to this bank account without any issue. So because like in my country now, transferring money from one bank go through a interswitch. That's why I say interswitch. So from one bank to another bank, there's a what we call payment gateway. That's payment gateway. That's where it goes. So you can configure your own payment gateway here now, so that it will be automatic. I can transfer money from one account to another account, which is your own. Then from your own to another account, through this payment gateway. Now this is support. Someone can send a support ticket, you know, subscribers and report of what is happening on the system. Now this setting, you may not know this setting because this is where we set some things that are working with this application. So that's pretty much how the application work. I hope you understand it. Thank you.